Hello again, it's me, Mattman 2006 or 206, however you say that username. We're back. We're about to set up Windows 10 on this computer. Now, like I mentioned in the first video, we did do the BIOS update, so we don't have to do that to work, and they did that for us. So as you can see, we have everything here all ready to go. We've got the lights on the speakers, which is awesome. And you can either download Windows 10, or you can get you can get a flash drive and put it on yourself and just get a code off eBay. That's what I did. And again, that's how I did it. So right now, I think I'm just gonna put this up here. You could put it anywhere, and right on here. Okay. There we go. I was gonna say. So look at the lights. Awesome, right? Look at those lights. They all change colors. Yeah, look at the HyperX thing. That's awesome how it lights up too. So we're gonna give it a sec here. And wow, look at the keyboard even lights up too. Alright, let's go on with the monitor. That's the power. Ooh. What's it doing? Here. Okay. Something's going on with the monitor. Is it? It's plugged in. Let's see. I think it was all the way in. And now it's lighting up. Yeah, now it's lighting. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. The monitor is now waking up. So again, this is the monitor. So it's gonna detect with the computer that it is working. And oh, look at that mouse. So we just gotta wait for the monitor to detect the computer. And so it's going through the HDMI's because this has a few HDMI's on it. Once it detects that computer, which it did not. I check the connection, you know. Does that have another HDMI here? Maybe it's the graphics card issues. Yeah, too. Come on. Maybe that one will work better. Let's see, come on. Give me it. Give me it. Come on. Come on. It's nice and quiet, which I do like. I'm gonna figure this out. Just give me a minute. I figure this thing out. Yeah, I know there's none. Plugged in. And switching it. See if maybe that works. Let's see. HDMI. Go figure, we can't get it to turn on. Okay, so I'm gonna shut the computer off. I'm gonna unplug the stick and then see if it powers in. And at least get the monitor work. Let's see if that works. Because if we can't get a monitor, we can't do anything. Okay, so it did work that time. Okay. Maybe, let's see. Checking media. So it does work. Checking some stuff. Okay, so this is the BIOS. I didn't really want to go in the BIOS. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead, I guess, put in the flash drive. See if it can detect it. If it can't, I'll shut it down and then reboot with this. Okay, so we're gonna shut it down again. Hopefully it'll detect the flash drive up here. It does have a hard drive in there. It has SSD, so hopefully it'll detect this flash drive up here and then automatically go in and set up the BIOS. I mean, set up the Windows 10. Interesting. It doesn't like this. Maybe? Interesting. Okay, never mind. It might have to go in the back, I don't know. Might not notice this. We might have to also disconnect all that stuff. Okay, so it says choose the operating system you want to hit and hit tab. So we're gonna go with the 64-bit because that's just the easiest. And now it's gonna set up Windows 10 on this machine. And again, you make sure you get a good legitimate key. This was actually from my last time I upgraded my computer, so I just used the same flash drive, but we're going to use a different key because that key won't work. So, the United States, yeah, that's fine. Next, install. Now when it asks for a key, I do have a key. I have to get it off my other computer, but we do have a key, and now it's going to ask for that key. So what I'm going to do for right now, I'm going to let you focus on those lights. Look at those lights. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to type in that, the thing I need to type in. And hopefully this will reach. So I can. Okay, this is a pretty long keyboard. So I just entered in my code thing that I got off of, like I said, on eBay. Hopefully it works. So how are those lights? Do you like those lights that I have there? I just hit next. I just didn't want to show it, so I didn't hit the blur it out later on in editing. So it's just easier to give you something else to look at than the screen itself. So now we're going to be installing the Windows 10. So now we've got the terms of condition. I hope okay, we're going to do custom upgrade, customize, and then it's going to choose our SSD, which we have in there. Make sure there's nothing on there you want, because it will reformat that disk. And now it's just going to, basically get that set up. At this point, I think I might need to get my Ethernet from my other computer in case it needs anything from the internet. So I'm going to let this do its thing, and I'm going to let you just look at the whole thing. Actually, let's look at that processor lights on that processor. Oh my god, look at everything in there lighting up. Yeah, look at that. So this could take a little bit of time, that's why I did it as a separate video. I just gotta grab the Ethernet cord out of my other computer and bring it over to set up the rest of the stuff. Because I don't want to move anything around too much in here. So you might hear me moving things around. So I can get the cord. Disconnected it and I just got to grab it. So it's still setting up. It's almost done. I won't plug this in until it's all done. So now it's going to probably shut down, reboot, because of the updates it's got to do. When it does ask for the internet, then we'll plug in the Ethernet, which I now have in my hand. Look at those. Those lights are like awesome. When I get really set up over on my other desk, that's gonna be nuts. My real desk. This is just a desk that I use for doing like videos and stuff. So it's not really, you know, a thing that I use for actually doing my videos. It's just where my bed is. It's kind of hard to move the bed to do a video. So I figured just do it over here, set it up over here, and then I can show you off the other desk when it's all set up and all done. So now it's just setting up the device. Look at those lights are like nuts. Look at the lights. I mean, it's lighting up my whole room, pretty much. And it's, you know, it's almost like 6 o'clock right now. So the sun's going down. Ooh, what's it doing now? What's it doing now? There's a box back there. That's the monitor over there. The box right there. It's probably just doing the updates it's got to do. Installing Windows 10. They'll ask for either Ethernet, and then you can plug that in, get that all set up. But yeah, look at the lights. I mean, the lights are really nice. It's gonna light my room up at night. That's for sure. Cause I don't have like one light really, and so that's why sometimes when I do videos, it's not that bright. It's because I don't have one light. Alright, going fast. Not sure the network. Yes. So let's go ahead. And I'm gonna plug this in to the port on the back for the internet. It'll light up. Probably. Maybe. Maybe not. Okay. So, we're going to go ahead and customize, I guess. Okay, we'll just leave it. Okay. Okay. Just another moment, and I did plug the Ethernet in, so in case it needs to ask about that kind of stuff. Now it's asking for a username, your PC name, and your, so you can set that up any way you want. Again, putting it over there. I wonder if I have to have a hint. Look at the lights, my god. I think last time I set this up, it didn't ask for this. What's easy answer? Oh, that just... I'm sure you can change the password after you create it too. Alright, so I set a password up. Now it's gonna set up Contrana, and I'm gonna use it. I like that service. It's like it talks to you and all that kind of stuff, which is kind of nice. Now it's gonna set up the computer. So now it's gonna, it's gonna do things and make it all ready to go, so you can start doing other things with the computer. So do not turn off the PC. That's why you need the power strip or a power brick system that will, not let you lose power, which is kind of critical. So they're just gonna, get everything set up so you're good to go. So once it's all ready to go, then you're good to go at that point. I like all the lights. That's nuts. So like everything lights up. Now it's not all the right colors, but they all light up. I'm sure there's a way to change that so you can select what you want. But for right now, that's what I'm getting. So after I get the Windows set up, we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna go online and get certain programs that I need. That will be another video. Actually, we probably don't need this sticker anymore. So here's the desktop. So pretty simple. I want to make. So you got OneDrive as well if you need OneDrive. So yeah, this has got 32 gigs of memory in it, so it's really fast. It's, Ryzen 9, 8 core. This is gonna be a very, very powerful computer. So it looks like it did split the hard drive into two. So one has the Windows on it, and then the other one does not. I wonder if I can display settings, maybe. I want to have it. Let's see it. This is very fast though. It's really nice. My computer. So these are all the things you get for free. You can see it, but yeah, okay, you can. I want to get personalized, maybe. Start menu. No, taskbar. So there's a lock screen. There's a picture. View. this computer. Is there a way to... Oh, wait. Where is it? Create a shortcut. Nah! I mean, that does work, but that's not what I want. Delete. Let's see. Add. Pin to start. I guess I don't know how to add it. But yeah. So, I mean, yeah, so I got the computer up and running. It's got internet, and all that. And actually, we don't want this. We're going to just delete. And it's gone from the computer forever. If I could, let's see. Display settings. Apps. Default. Email. Actions and notifications. Sleep mode. Never in sleep mode. Oh, if I'm plugged. Oh. Why would it be unplugged when I'm plugged? I don't know. Why would it be unplugged? Storage. So we got a little bit of storage. Start. Okay. Come on. Unpin. Into the task menu. I guess I could just do it that way. Because I usually keep everything like that. Like so. The other thing I would, I'm saying there's no internet. Network. Ethernet. Not connected. Interesting. I don't know if it's because I disconnected it from the other one, but it shouldn't. Huh. Let's fix the internet. And then we'll, the next, no, not plugged in. Anyway, let me. Yeah, it's split up. Yeah, it's gotta go another one. Because there's two connections on the back of my computer for internet. Wait a minute. Maybe I could have another one. Let's see. Because I want to get the fastest internet that I can possibly get. And if I can have it being the 5.5, then that would be better. Okay, yes, let's see. it might not like that. Yeah, it doesn't like that. Okay. I love jumping over cords in my room. Not. Alright. Okay, so now it is connected. So let's double check that. Yep, we're connected online. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna end this episode off. So we got the computer up and running. It's in great condition. Again, look at all those lights. I mean, it's gonna be blowing me away at night looking at my computer now. Once I get it all set up, there will be another video of me where it's set up and all that. But now I'm gonna have to say what I normally say at my end of my videos. And now you can barely see me. Until my next episode, I'm gonna have to say what I normally say at my videos, and that is bye-bye for now.